Hello everyone, I'm Rachna and I welcome you all to my channel POK Preparation. So in today's video, I'm going to just discuss about my ibps clerk 2022 exam. Okay, so my exam was on 4/9/2022, that is today. Okay, and it was in the third shift. Okay, so it was from 2 to 3. Okay, so as you all know that the total marks are 100 and there are three subjects. So first one was English, second was quants, and third was reasoning. Okay, so in English there are 30 marks, in quants there are 35 marks, and in reasoning there are 35 marks. So I'll discuss how was the paper, how were the questions, and my attempts, level of the paper, everything in this whole video. So do watch the video till the end. Okay, so in English I would say the paper was moderate, not that easy also. It was not that simple also. Okay, because there were also some tricky questions. So let's talk about that. I'll tell you how was the paper. So it was basically moderate. So at first there was word swap question. Word swap was there of 5 marks. The sentences were simple, okay, but tricky. Okay, so it was like the options were tricky and it took like more than few seconds to recognize the answers and all. Even though English is my forte, but then also it took me some time. Then word swap was of 5 marks. After that we had an RC. Okay, the RC was of 10 marks, reading comprehension. In the RC they were like it was a paragraph given about a person named Sham and how he worked, for protecting wildlife, okay, by filling the water reserve. Okay, water reserves and all that, and how he worked and how he inspired others and how he worked with an NGO. The question was with the NGO what he worked, and what was his like there was one question that was tricky, very tricky. It was like if you find it tricky, please tell me. That it was like there were four options were given. Okay, ABCD, and I also don't know that if I did the right one. So in first there was given that Sham filled a 40 liters water reserve in his you know in front of his house, but it was not Sham, it was some other other guy. It started from R, I don't remember the name, so I didn't take this one. Then the next was two options where they were also incorrect, and other last option was that he Sham worked as an assistant in a dry milk making firm, dry milk making factory, like that was it. So I don't know, these three were to ekdam incorrect, so I ticked this one, but I don't know if it is correct or not. I'm very much confused in this. So that's why I'm saying that the questions were tricky. Other questions were easy because synonym antonyms were easy. Okay, this one we got. One was the opposite of encourage. Encourage, discourage. Discourage was the answer of antonym, and synonym also it was very easy, I don't remember currently. So it was like that. And RC was overall okay. Two questions were tough and other eight were easy. Okay, then after RC, moving on to the next part, there were error detection. Okay, as usual, error comes, and errors were easy. No tricky question, they were like simple errors, you can click within seconds. After RC there were rearrangement. Okay, like rearrangement was in a new pattern in which they were like ABCD. Five sentences were given in one question, five sentences, and you have to arrange them like this, ABCDE or something like that. So there were like five questions of rearrangement, they were easy only. It like took 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, after that one question there was of, after rearrangement, the last question was of fillers. Okay, fillers were there. Fillers were of 5 marks. Okay, the topic of the filler was about some bird sound, and they are found in Masuri, and how you don't hear them often, and how they are only talked about. And it was like, easy, not easy, actually moderate, because two questions were tricky. I got stuck on them. I don't know if they are right or wrong, but I attempted them. So in English, my okay, let's see, we have covered 10, 20 and 30. Okay, so total 30 marks I've explained. This was the paper overall. So my attempts were 29 in English. Okay, and I don't know, I'm not sure about two to three questions that I did wrong, or maybe I did it. So let's see. It will be like 80% to 85% accuracy approximately. So let's talk about the other section. Other section was quants. Okay, so as you all know, this is my weakest section, weakest in my case. Okay, so the first questions were of there was some arithmetic question in the starting, three questions. I think I skipped them because I'm not that good in arithmetic. I tried to save time. Then there were series question. Okay, missing series were there. They were like easy to moderate. Five questions were there, almost 5 to 7, I don't remember exactly. Then after series there was one DI. The DI was easy. It was like, boys number, singing, and in singing and in dancing. Question were easy only, not that, that much time consuming. I think I wasted 5 minutes there. Okay, 5 to 6 minutes. Five questions were there, I attempted all of them. So they were like boys, and graph was given. It was of a line graph, that this is dancing and this is singing and all that. The graph was given, so you can do it easily. It was not that tough, not that easy also. It was like moderate only, you can say moderate, because it was not that easy ki dekhte hi, you can tick the answer. You had to calculate them. Okay, and the questions were like that, if the one question I remember, that if x is 3 by 8 of your number in C, then what is the difference between the dancing students in A and the dancing students in X, like that. The questions were tricky, like not that just find the percentage, or find the ratio ka one question was there, that was easy. Only ratio ka one question was easy. Other three questions were very tricky, but it was like doable, not that much tricky also. So this was all about DI. Then we had this simplification were also not so easy also. That not so easy, there were square roots were there, and fractions were there. Overall it was like, I can say it was moderate, not that tough also, but ऐसा भी नहीं है कि you can close your eyes and tick the answer like होते हैं. So it was moderate only. I will not say that बहुत ज़्यादा easy था. So this was, and rest arithmetic questions were there. I visited till question number 25. Rest 10 question क्या थे I don't know. Maybe they were of arithmetic, or maybe there was one DI. I don't know, because honestly saying, I wasn't able to visit the other 10 questions. Okay, so I'm saying that honestly. So maybe there were arithmetic or DI, I don't know. If you know, please let me know what was there, because I got stuck in this much only, and I was able to attempt 20 in arithmetic. No, actually in quants, not arithmetic, in quants I was able to attempt 20. And I don't know, the accuracy would be 70 to 80% maybe. Let's see how it goes. I don't know, no, because exact answers, I wasn't able to find the exact answers, that the exact, okay, this is the exact answer, and tick 40. I got like something 38, or I tick 40. It was like that only, approximate answers I got, because the questions of simplification were very tricky. DI was okay, but simplification be tricky there. I don't know what's going on. This was IBPS clerk. Okay, and it didn't sound like clerk. इससे अच्छा RRB PO's paper was easy compared to this paper, I think. Do share your views, what you think it. And let's talk about my favorite section and everyone's favorite section, reasoning. So let me tell you one thing, that during the exam it was such a hot sunny day, that when we were standing in the line, it's a big process. It almost takes an hour to just check your documents and stand on the line and keep waiting for your turn. almost like there was and so what a crowd was there, various students, 10 times more than RRB, there were students. So one girl, I don't know her, but she fainted on the line, and it was like so sad to see her like that. I don't know she was able to give her exam or not, maybe because of the weather, and standing in the line, everyone gets tired, and everyone don't have the same stamina, so I felt very sorry for her. And then they provided medical assistance because the staff was helpful, but then also, it's like so harassing, the process is harassing, students are, suffering and all. I felt very bad for her. I hope she's fine. So let's come back to reasoning. So reasoning, we had 35 questions, so let's talk about this. So the first question, very first question was, they were, series, alpha, mixed, I think, yeah, alphanumeric series were there. Okay, so series ke 5 question were there. ठीक है. So there was only one tricky question I found, that was that this is D is given, and you have to find the, alphabets which are, in the left of D but less than n, means lesser than n, you have to find that alphabets. Okay, so I did this one. There were, I think, more than 3. If you remember the question, I don't know. If you remember, please let me know if it is correct or incorrect. So it was like this. Then 5 series question. Okay, moderate type. ठीक है, moderate, not that easy also, not that tough also. There was circular arrangement. This was easy, not that tough. Easy, it was easy, doable, एक बार में ही हो गया था. So 5 marks were there. Easy, I'll say. The questions were also easy, but the problem is that the paper was made lengthy, unnecessarily, because they always give you one question. They give the people are sending in an, anti-clockwise direction, and how many direction is changed. That is okay, this one will come. But like this, there were other question was also there, and 2 tricky questions were there in the same simple circular arrangement facing north, but 2 tricky questions are there. What is this now? Like how, you can expect one. And as you can see in English also, they like, ठीक है, arrangement, fillers and RC तीनों एक साथ कौन देता है? Like no ना. And word swap also, तीनों एक साथ कौन देता है? तुमने easy topic दिया है नहीं, grammatical error वाला या कोई भी, they would have given ना easy topic, but no, सारे tough they have to give. So it was like that. Then okay, and then a circular arrangement was there, 5 marks. There was one flow based question. Okay, flow based question were there of 5 marks. This was also moderate, not that easy also. I did in the second chance. Okay, so 5 marks. Then after that there were direction sense question was there, maybe of 3 to 5. I don't remember exactly how much marks were there, but this was also like, essay. I don't remember the diagram now. ठीक है. So the first एक I think 1 meter was there, other was 2 meter west. ठीक है, ऐसे करके I don't remember exactly what was that. So it was like this, direction sense 3 to 5 marks. Blood relation was very tricky. Okay, blood relation का question भी था, and it was of 5 marks and very tricky. I like, I would say it was hard, not, moderate, very tricky, because I made it in the 3rd try. ठीक है, इतने से within this 20 minutes you have to do 3rd try, just imagine, you have to do 3rd try in an question. So imagine the trickiness, so it was like that. I don't exactly remember, but let me just try. D I think, and this was इसका बेटा, हाँ, B, C, and this is L. Okay, L. Who is this? I don't remember. This is his husband. I don't remember. P or Q maybe. Then this is Q or P. Exactly, I don't remember. This was the diagram. If you remember, tell me and verify this if it is correct. Okay, this was the blood relation of 5 marks. Questions were easy, but the whole overall question was tricky. So question easy करके भी what will happen? Then last, okay, 5 and 5. Miscellaneous questions were there of 2 to 3 marks, I don't remember exactly. I didn't attempt this one. Okay, I didn't attempt miscellaneous one. I attempted one, there were like number and you have to count in between that how many numbers are there. I attempted that. And one of that, this was of the words they come, no, like I don't remember the word, that how many numbers are in between. I don't know I attempted that or not. So 15 marks are here. Okay, 15, then 20, 25. Okay, then you can go with that 3 to 5, you adjust them here like this. Then last question was, it was of like that only, who came first, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. They are like peoples, and then they bought a thing or something, and who came first. And this was hard. I did it in second try. Okay, so there was like G is, I don't remember exactly, but G is above A is above G, and I forgot what was the words. I don't remember exactly. So this question, you won't believe, guys, I did it in the last 2 minutes. I did the question, I like made the table, and within 2 minutes I ticked 5 questions. Okay, and my hands were like shaking with fear. I wasn't able to click. I was like, ठीक है, diagram बन गया, solve हो गया, I have the table, I just have to tick them. But ऐसा था कि with seconds passing, seconds were passing, and with seconds passing I have to just read the question and tick them, read the question and tick them. It's like so much nervous, my hands were shaking. I was like, what will I do now if I'm not able to tick the last 5 answers? What will I do? What is the use of making the table if I don't get to tick the questions? Who will check that she has made the table or not? They will see that if she has ticked the answer or not. So I was very horrified, but luckily this time, maybe luckily, I ticked them all. Okay, and maybe I just maybe correct. Okay, maybe correct. I hope they were correct. I just hope and pray. So reasoning, they were in reasoning I did 32. Okay, so let's talk about the overall. Okay, overall I did English में I did 29, reasoning में 32, and maths में I did 20. So overall I did 81. Okay, so it is only decent attempts only if accuracy is good, and I am not sure about the accuracy. I can't guarantee you guys anything, because my accuracy has been bad since ages, since the time I've started preparing. So 81 is there. Let's positively expect that we get 68 to 70, and we clear it this time, we crack it this time. एंड अदर रेस्ट आई कांट गारंटी एनीथिंग. मे बी बहुत ज़्यादा इनकरेक्ट होके 65 भी मिल जाए, बहुत ज़्यादा इनकरेक्ट होके 54 भी मिल जाए, जैसे लास्ट टाइम मिला था. आई कांट गारंटी एनीथिंग. प्लीज़ गाइज, प्लीज़ tell me about your attempts. Please do tell this. Okay, how was your attempts? ठीक है, how many attempts you did? Sectional also, do let me know the sectional attempts. Do let me know about the scores you are expecting. Okay, so my attempts were 81. Okay, sectional, I already told you all that what are my sectional attempts. Then expectation, mine expectations are 65 to 70. Let's see, because cutoff I think 70 से 72 तक जाएगा. So let's see. So this is Rachna Parekh signing off from POQ Preparation. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.